Like I said, if you guys want, I'll clap back on because that's going to be in the background noise. But I'm here with my dog, Lola. Hi there. Yeah, she's a very good dog. Anyways, what do you guys want to, now while we're waiting, I know, it's not a live show, I'm thinking. That's why sometimes I'm talking to this entertaining. Well, I guess I'll just show you more of my dog, because she's pretty cute. I'll clap when it's done so you guys can see it. But, you know. Here you go, girl. Hi. It's off, but I'll keep showing you Lola. Oh. Oh, there. Oh, there. Hi. Hi. Okay. Yeah, I love my dog, but anyways. Okay. Claps. So, if you guys didn't see it, I am sorry, but the video is continuing now. I know, it's been a minute. Sorry. Guess that's not really long at all. It's a short cooking video. I guess I can make a little bit of a meal to show you guys stuff. But, here's where the magic happens. Okay, prepared. This is from Slippery Rock College. I visited my cousin there once. He's pretty cool. He's always been nice to me. But anyways, let's go on to all this. Should have cooked properly, 100%. Okay, so first thing I do is I rinse out this part here. But I wait to dishwasher this until my second run with it, because I have two of these things that I can use it with, and only one of these here. So it's really like just be good with keeping it clean. Now, here's for the entertaining part here. When it comes time to pour it in, I'm gonna do it over there where you guys have a better view. Okay, time to move, y'all. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's dark, isn't it? Okay, that should be better for you guys. It's so dark, I know, I'm sorry. Here, does it actually affect the light? Oh yeah, it affects it much greater. Okay. So the lighting's actually going to be better here. Okay. The lighting's going to be the best here. So as you can see, back here I have my milkshakes and stuff. So, are you guys ready to see how good this looks? I am. Okay. See, proof there's nothing. And here's the quadrant. Now here we go. I know you don't really get to see that one. That one is for me to see. This one is for you all to see right here. Okay. Oh, it's already been 3 minutes. That's pretty good actually for our time. Okay. So, sorry about the water running. Yeah, I'm gonna just fall for a few more minutes because of the screen time and stuff. But while we're waiting, I'll drink some of this. Mine just comes out better because I have no one else here but my dog and this, you know, milkshake, so. Yeah, we got a few more minutes on that. I'm not gonna lie, like if you like stuff like Baskin Robbins milkshakes, that's better, but this I would say is better than Chick-fil-A milkshake or McDonald's. The reason I'm saying that, not because I made it, I don't want you guys to think, oh, these companies are amazing, but because, you know, those things are amateur milkshakes, and these are as good as them, if not better, as you can actually choose your own flavors. Now, I don't know why this happens, but sometimes a little bit of the ice cream will stay in, but that can go move you over here. Again, I'm sorry that I always move you guys around, but it's just for the quality of the video. Sometimes you need a good spoon with your milkshake. And the reason I'm saying this is, I'm not going to tip it over. I'll tip the camera. It's bad. See? You probably can't, but there's bits of lumps in there. And when I do this, you'll see it's chunky. What's good? It's like cold melted ice cream. It doesn't always come out like this though. It's just been a while since I've made one of these. Yeah, so if you want to click off the video, I guess you can. But I'm gonna finish this up. Please click on my next video though, because you know, that'll be more interesting, more vlog time and stuff. Anyways, you guys have been on for like 7 minutes and about 19 seconds, so goodbye.